Hello everyone, welcome to Real Edutainment. This is our today's question. A line cuts two sides AB and AC of triangle ABC in points P and Q. Then we need to prove that area triangle APQ upon area triangle ABC equal to AP into AQ upon AB into AC. This is extra question. Now, here to solve this question, we will construct this line, that is for construction join BQ. Construction join BQ. Now for proof, let us consider area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABQ. Then why area of triangle? Because in our question is in the form of area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC we need to find. Therefore, let us take first pair APQ ABQ. Now, if you consider these two triangles separately, देख लो इधर, if you consider these two triangles separately, then these are the triangles APQ and ABQ. Here area of triangle upon area of triangle. So, it is the very first formula from chapter number 1, similarity, that is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Here we need to identify base and height, and also we need to identify whether base or height उसमें से कुछ सेम है क्या, वो भी हमको देखना है. Let us consider area triangle APQ and area triangle ABQ. If you observe this diagram, you will find that these 3 points are collinear and this is point Q, which is a common point for both the triangle from which we can draw our height, and this height is same for both the triangles. This height is same for both the triangles. So, therefore, if height is same, our answer is base upon base. So, for this triangle APQ, AP is a base, as this is the height, AP base आ जाएगा. So, here we will write here AP upon. For triangle ABQ, AB is a base. Reason: triangles with equal height. Let us say this is our equation number 1. Exactly same way we will go for second triangle का ratio, that is area of triangle ABQ upon area of triangle ABC is equal to, exact same way, ABQ and ABC. तो देख लो यहाँ पे ये डायग्राम ऐसे दिखेगा, ABC and ABQ. If you consider these two triangle ABQ and ABC, you will find that these 3 points are again collinear. These 3 points are again collinear. So, here ABQ and ABC are the two triangles, and here these are the 3 points which are collinear, A dash, Q dash, C. So, if you need to draw height, you need to draw it from point B. So, therefore, base is AQ upon AC. So, same reason, triangles with equal heights. Let us say this is our second equation. Okay. Now, what we can write from 1 and 2. If you observe equation number 1 and equation number 2, and if you observe this our 2 proof, so we can see that AP upon AB into AQ upon here AP into AQ, AB into AC. It means we need to multiply these two equations. So, from 1 and 2, or else we can write multiply equation 1 and 2. So here area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABQ into area of triangle ABQ upon area of triangle ABC is equal to right hand side, it is AP upon AB into AQ upon AC, and then final step ABQ get cancelled. Our remaining answer is area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC equal to, here it is AP into AQ upon AB into AC, which is our required to prove. So finally we'll write hence proved. Okay, so this is this particular question, फर्स्ट एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन जो आज के लेक्चर में हमने लिया हुआ है. सो ये आपको सबको ठीक से स्टडी करना है, नोटबुक में इसको बिना देखे आपको सॉल्व करना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.